Thank you for watching another episode of LOZ Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. This is our first Christmas brick kit that we're building. For November, we're going to be building quite a few of them, and to hopefully give you time once December rolls around to order your own and see if you'd like to build your own holiday display there. This is a LOZ mini brick kit. So these are Legos type bricks that are smaller than Lego brands, so they are not Lego compatible. We've built a number of these LOZ brand kits and similar ones. They're pretty fun. Some of them can be pretty tricky though, so we'll definitely want to see how this kits. The smaller it is, the better off you are, because the bigger it is, sometimes the more difficulty the bricks will have with the bigger builds. But yeah, so let's get this guy opened up here and take a look inside. There's the outside of the box. And then let's see what we got here. These usually have a poster style construction instruction book there, which are not my favorite, just because they're big posters. Let's see, they do have numbering on their kit, on their bags that we found, but they don't really use them. You pretty much have to open all the bags in order to get the kit built. Let's see here. No number on that one. Oh, maybe there is. Nope. That's a negative. Nope. I don't see any numbers on there. At least not enough already to make a difference. Looks like we got some stickers. Quite a few of them there. It looks like some of them look like the nuclear warning symbols there. It's so crazy. Anyway, and yeah, as I suspected, it's got a poster style instruction book. I'd say my biggest issue with those is just trying to fold it in such a way that you can see what you need to build and the parts, and still have it, you know, so it's actually, you know, can occupy the same space you're in pretty well. Let's see here. That's the bottom. There's the top. That's instruction 40. Here we go. So beginning at the beginning. And all the bricks, like a similar one I built, they're labeled up at the top there, and then they begin there, upper left corner. Everything looks easily readable. No problems there, and we really haven't had that big of trouble with these. The biggest thing with these is they, from what we can tell, they definitely are computer, drafted, and then it's, I think, pretty dicey on whether they actually tried to put it together to see if it was actually going to work or not. So it's the steps that tend to be in really awkward order sometimes that makes the build a little less fun. But we'll see. I'll get this put together here and real soon and give it a full review. And thanks again for watching. It's LOZ Reviews. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.